Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So recently I've been intrigued by viral Asian makeup, especially like the makeup transformations. I just think that they've been so cool and so interesting to see. So with that being said, I had the idea, maybe I should make a Asian makeup transformation video. I don't know. So let's get on it. Also, don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. It means so much to me. I am just trying to grow. Thank you. I appreciate it. The first thing I'm going to do is go in with one of my favorites, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Radiance Drops. I just like to shake them up and apply them on my face. Next thing I'm going to do is take a little bit of the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer on the center of my face. Next thing I'm going to do is go in with a little bit of the new Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Foundation in Y415. Right, and then after that I'm going to buff this in or tap this in with my BH Cosmetics 117 brush. Okay, and now after that, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer just to brighten up my under eyes, and I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer in Light Neutral. After that, I'm going to go and buff that in with the same brush. After that, I'm just going to set my entire face using my Lexi Lush brush in 504 and my La Chamasier powder. Oops. Okay, so now after applying my base, concealer, setting it with that setting powder, I'm going to go in and kind of touch my brows up a little bit, try to make them look a little longer or straighter, because that's kind of like a nice trend to do, especially in Asian viral makeup. So I'm going to use the new Benefit Brow Contour Pro. Now I'm going to go in and add a little extra dimension to the brows using my Give Me Brow number 5, and this is just like a little mini traveler. Okay guys, so after that, now I'm just going to start shaping the face a little bit using my Anastasia Subculture palette. I'm going to use a little bit of Mercury just to kind of lightly define the nose, very lightly, and kind of shape certain features, I think. So let's see. After that, I'm also going to take a little bit of blush. I'm going to take a little bit of Seduction from NARS. And I'm going to apply that a little bit higher because that's normally the trend to do in these viral makeup videos. So I'm going to kind of go up here to make us look kinder. A little bit more sincere, you could say. And I think I'm really packing this on a little bit, but... And you kind of want to swoop it under the eye a little bit, kind of like you're flushed. A little bit on the nose as well. Temples of the forehead, a little bit on the chin. Just kind of like how you would be if you were like flushed. Next, I'm gonna really highlight the shit out of my skin because it's also a trend to have glass skin in Asian makeup as well. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the Fenty Beauty in Sandcastle and apply that on my face. Another trick, if your highlight's a little bit too intense in the front, you could always tone it down with your same foundation brush and just lightly blend out those first edges. Oh yeah, loving it so far. Also gonna take a little bit of a pink blush and apply that to the center of my lip. Just to give a touch of color, but not too much, because it's pretty much all about understated natural beauty and elevating those features to the fullest. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna add some finishing touches and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and here's the finished look with some little touches added to it. I kind of wanted to like make the eyes look a little bit bigger, flush the lip a little bit more, but that's pretty much it. It was quite a learning experience with this video because I have so much more I want to learn and so much more I want to do. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Oh yeah.